Hey guys, this is a training video on how to use proper use of a dry measuring cup and a liquid measuring cup. They're two totally different things, and they're very important you're using them properly. If not, the recipe is not going to come out the same every single time, and it's not going to be absolutely easy. So you have dry measuring cups and spoons here. So these are cup, half cup, quarter cup, eighth of a cup, and these are dry measuring spoons: tablespoon, teaspoon, half teaspoon, quarter teaspoon. You have liquid measuring cups that come in various sizes. Used for dry ingredients, used for liquid ingredients. So you shouldn't be putting flour in here or anything that's considered a dry ingredient. Right? So let's go over using a dry measuring cup. So if I'm measuring say 5 cups of flour, that's not a cup of flour. That's not a cup of flour. That's not a cup of flour. Right? If I measured out 5 cups of flour like that, that excess is actually about 2-3 tablespoons. I multiply it over 5 times, I'm probably adding almost an entire extra cup of flour to this. So when you're coming in here with dry ingredients, it should be level, just like that. So you can do a good job and shake it, so it's level, or you run your hand over it so it's smooth. But that's a cup, right? Vice versa, if you come in and you're a little shallow or short on it, I'm shorting the recipe about a quarter cup of food here. So we should make sure it's a level stir, right? Very, very, very important. Other things that you might think are liquids that you probably use in a dry measuring cup are things that are very thick. So mayonnaise, for example, mustard, anything that's really thick should be used with a dry measuring spoon that's leveled off. Okay. So now let's get into liquid measuring cups. So liquid measuring cups measure liquid, I would say anything that is the consistency of water up to oil, you should use this. Or if it's even thinner, maybe ketchup's on the line, you should be using a liquid measuring cup. So what you don't want to do is measure into the cup unlevelly, right? It needs a steady surface. It's nice and level. What you don't want to do either is go into a container and try to measure a product. You'll never get it right on. So what you should do is put the measuring cup on the table and you're pouring into it. You're going to go down to eye level and check to make sure it's at the proper level. But since it's flat, it's going to be consistent every time. That's how you have to measure liquids. Thanks, guys.